In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams for a meeting. To begin, open your web browser and go to Microsoft Teams on the web. Once the page loads, make sure you are in the correct place inside Teams, such as your community or channel area. This is where you can quickly start a meeting without having to create a full calendar event. Next, look for the Meet option. This is usually located in the main Teams interface, and it is designed for starting an instant meeting. Click Meet to open the meeting setup options. Now you will create a meeting link that you can share with others. Click on Create a Meeting Link. This tells Teams that you want a shareable link that people can use to join your meeting from their own device. This is useful for quick meetings, especially when you do not need to invite people through a scheduled invitation. After you choose to create the link, you will see an option called Create and Copy Link. Click Create and Copy Link. Teams will generate the meeting link and copy it to your clipboard automatically. At this point, you can paste the link wherever you normally communicate with your attendees, such as a chat message or an email draft. A helpful tip is to paste it into a note temporarily, just to confirm it copied correctly before you send it out. Once you are ready to start the meeting yourself, click Join. This will take you into the meeting join screen, sometimes called the pre-join or lobby screen. This area lets you get ready before you enter the meeting. Take a moment to confirm you are signed into the right account and that your setup looks correct. Finally, click Join Now. This action enters you into the live meeting room. After you join, you can continue by greeting participants as they arrive and sharing the meeting link with anyone who still needs it, since the link will keep working for others to join. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.